and gentlemen, we're sitting here with Matt Mullin. Okay, where did you finish last year in groups for teams in the company? Number 5, I think. Number 4?
4, yes.
Yeah, I think we were number 4.
All
right, cool. As you can see, we're live. Okay, so I have one question for you, and that is, okay, so 2019.
Yeah.
I'm an individual agent, or I'm on a team, doesn't matter. I want to maximize and achieve my goals. What is the top 3 things you would tell them to focus on?
Top 3 things for me, I think the first thing always comes down to just build a schedule. So for me, I gotta make sure that the schedule is actually something I'm excited about, something that I actually want to do, and that I'll stick to, because I kind of follow the rule of thumb that if it's not on the calendar, it doesn't exist.
Good for you,
So,
I love it.
And I like making sure that the schedule is balanced with the business generating activities, the family activities, the things that recharge my batteries.
CrossFit activities.
Exercise activities. So it's got to have the right balance, otherwise I'm not going to follow it.
Right.
So
and it has to go back to, it has to be the schedule that equals achieving your goal.
Right. Well, that brings me to point number 2 and 3. If you had to say the 2 other things, number 2 would just say stick to the schedule.
Right.
So at least 80% of the time, just be consistent with it. It's not going to go 100% of the time all the time. Don't beat yourself up and get angry about it. I mean, my goal is stick to the plan 70 to 80% of the time, and then I'm on track. So just be consistent. Be the most important thing I tell myself daily for number 2, and then 3, to know if it's actually the right schedule and if it's working, measure the results. So I actually on the exercise front, I've been tracking. I track CrossFit workouts down to the number of
I see that,
252 workouts in the last 50, 60 weeks, something, 60 weeks. So track that down. Same thing with the generating activities in the schedule. If I'm not on track with what I'm looking to do, make adjustments. So kind of measure, number 3 is measure the results.
Measure results, and it's kind of tough to do that after 1 quarter. You really got to give it like 6 months, right?
That's kind of why I said, build the schedule and just be consistent with it, and then forget about it and measure the results a few months later.
Right.
It takes time to kind of generate the momentum, but make tweaks if it's not generating the pipeline you need.
Don't be afraid to make adjustments.
Yeah, that's number 3. Make adjustments.
All right, cool. All right. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it. All right.